Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to enter your login method, choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm. Lastly, click on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and click on Done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!